Welcome to Jesse Tries. And today I'm gonna try Lean Cuisine Supreme Pizza. In case you're wondering why my hair is all like fuzzed up or something, because I'm just recovering from a cold which I got from Texas. So, by the way, do I look skinny to you? I hope so. Do I look skinny to you? I hope so. By the way, I cut the pizzas into four that would be easier to eat. I already cooked it all that stuff. It's very meaty, it's very cheesy and gooey, but not in a bad way. I'm going to show you the pepperoni. The pepperoni is all nice and thick. It's the only one I cut into itty bitty pizzas. I prefer if they cut the pepperoni into itty bitty pieces, but what are you gonna do? The cheese is all nice and gooey. The crust is okay. And the peppers, it smells nice. The sausages, everything smells nice. And as for taste, it's nice and meaty. The bell peppers taste good. Everything tastes good. It's nice and cheesy and gooey, but in a good way. The crust is nice. The pepperoni is nice too. It tastes delicious. It doesn't taste fattening. It's all around delicious. I give this an A+, an A+.